Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create Gmail account without phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to create a new Google account using Chrome without providing a phone number, begin by opening the Chrome browser on your device. Look to the top right corner and tap on the Sign In button. When the Sign In prompt appears, select Create Account and then choose For Myself from the options provided. You will now be directed to a form where you need to enter your personal information. Start by typing in your first and last name. Next, you have the option to either choose from a suggested Gmail address or create a custom one. Enter your desired email address and proceed to create a strong password. After setting your password, click on Next to move forward in the account creation process. In the next step, you will be prompted to enter a recovery email address, which is optional but recommended for account security. If you prefer not to provide a recovery email, you can skip this step by clicking on Skip. Similarly, you will have the option to add a phone number for account recovery and verification purposes. However, if you wish to create your account without a phone number, you can skip this step as well. Continue following the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. You will be asked to review and accept Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Make sure to read these documents carefully before agreeing. After accepting the terms, your new Google account will be created and you can start using it immediately. This straightforward process allows you to set up a Google account with minimal personal information, ensuring a balance between functionality and privacy. If at any point you encounter issues or have specific preferences, Google provides guidance and options within the account creation interface to help you manage your new account effectively. So that's basically how to create Gmail account without phone number. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.